Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon Web Services Getting Started. So in this course, I'm going to show you how you can get started with AWS. So the first of all, you have to understand what is this Amazon Web Services. AWS is a service where AWS, that's mean Amazon, provide us or any programmer or any people, they provide us some type of services to use a remote computer or remote web services, or you can say a remote resources. So sometime what happens, we don't have much of money to invest in our resources and manage the things. So this is where AWS comes into play. AWS offers various type of services which anybody can utilize. It has many type of a product like AWS offers here. EC2, that's mean they offer here a server, a remote server. There is S3, it's a simple storage services. There is Amazon Aura, that's mean it's a high performance managed relational database. They also have NoSQL database known as DynamoDB. They have their Amazon RDS, AWS Lambda, Amazon VPC, and so many more type of services. They also provide analytical type of services like Amazon Athena, Amazon Cloud Search, etc. There is augmented reality and virtual reality services, and thereafter blockchain services are there, a business application services, a compute services. The few of these services we have seen there, like EC2 and AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda is kind of a serverless coding. That's mean we don't need to host any server to run our code. So there is an internal server is already there. There is a container. Then it has a various other types of database. Then developer tools. Alright, so these services they offer. There is very important service. It is machine learning. And here we have Internet of Things. In the machine learning, we have these type of services like Amazon Forecast, Amazon Elastic Interface, Amazon SageMaker, etc. So these are the services. Alright, then in the media services, we have Amazon Elastic Transcoder. So there are so many type of Amazon services. Alright, so these services we can use, and good thing is that we can get started with these services without any cost at upfront. These services are free. Most of services are free for 1 year. Those services comes under AWS free tier services. You can simply click on get started for free. Then you have to sign up for this one. Alright. Let's say if you don't have AWS account, then you have to create a free account. While you will be creating this account, it will need email, password, confirm password, and then your account name. Alright, once you fill these information, thereafter they will ask about credit card or debit card to just deduct 2 rupees to check that you have a valid debit card and credit card. Do remember, most of the services are free and you can easily sign up. And if you want to know the information about the free services, you can simply visit aws.amazon.com/free. So they have these services free. Few services are always free and few services are 12-month free. Alright. There you have these free tier like some featured services, and there you have EC2 750 hours free, Amazon S3 5 GB of free, RDS you have their relational database, you have 750 hours for free, Amazon DynamoDB you have 25 GB of storage for free, you have Amazon SageMaker, that's the 250 hours for free, AWS Lambda, which is 1 million free requests per month. So these are free. Alright, there are so many services. So you can try any of these services without any upfront cost. Alright, now let's say you have your user ID and password. Now we can log in our AWS account. Once you click on sign in AWS, then it will ask username and password. Thereafter, you will be signed up for AWS Management Console. At this Management Console, you will be seeing here all the services which are available at AWS. Most of services are free here, so you can utilize any of these services without any problem. Alright, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. I'll see you next lesson.